the Silencio airdrop will not be the end of SLC token. You can check out over here that if you stake your SLC tokens and if you utilize them quite well, then there are around 541 million SLC tokens up for grabs, and using these tokens you can get as much as 100 million unique prizes over a period of time. And Tesla is also there in the unique prize, and there are more surprises out there. So it's up to you whether you want to go with these prizes or you want to dump the SLC token as soon as it launches. But if we check out the all-time high price of SLC token on KuCoin, then it shows around $4.96, which is quite huge for one SLC token. And I don't think it is quite possible at this point of time for one SLC to price at this value, because if we multiply this price with the amount of total supply of SLC tokens, then this is going to be quite huge, and this is not at all possible. This doesn't make sense. Also, it shows the max supply as 400 million, which is not true as well, because there are 100 billion of the total supply of SLC token, and out of that 7.5% of the total supply will be airdropped in the beta airdrop that is going to happen tomorrow. And if you have been with us, then you would have known about this airdrop about an year ago, because we posted this video as soon as this airdrop came, and we also made a reminder video about 3 months ago. So if you were connected with us, then you would be in the huge profits. So make sure to hit that subscribe button for further updates. As for the airdrop, you can check out the benefits that you can get for staking your SLC token tomorrow, and you get the boost in your OG bonus if you stake, and you can also maximize your referral rewards with the SLC staking. You get the exclusive in-app perks, and by the look of this description, it feels like there will be ads in the application of Silencio in future, and those who will be staking these tokens will get ad-free experience. And you would also be getting the community recognition by being in the top of the leaderboard when you stake it for a longer duration, and the amount of tokens that you stake are quite high. And also the staking plan is going to be flexible. You can check out over here. This is how the interface will look like after we get the airdrop. You can either start the staking or you can continue without a staking. If you stake, then you would get this interface where you can choose the amount of SLC tokens that you want to stake and the duration of staking. The longer you stake and the more amount of tokens you stake, the better your rewards will be. And the current raffle ticket awards that are going on will be declared on 1st of March. So this is how it will look like. And if you continue by staking, then you would get the bonus, OG bonus to be precise. The base of OG bonus is 20%, but if you stake more, you would get higher bonus. And this is going to be the structure of bonus that you are going to get at TGE. Like if you stake 25% of your SLC tokens that you get in the airdrop for 3 months, then you would be getting 3.75% of the bonus. And if you stake it for 18 months and 100% of your airdrop, then you would get 90% bonus. But if you do it after TGE, then you can see over here that it reduces significantly. Like if you do it after 1st of March, after the first raffle, then you would be getting reduced rates. So it's better to do it earlier if you actually want to do it. If you want to sell it, then you can also do that as well. It's up to you. Just make up your mind before you receive the airdrop. It would be better for you to make the decisions when the airdrop actually drops in. Since your airdrop will not be unlocked 100% on the day one, you would be getting just 50%. Rest 50% will be released in different phases, and as soon as they release, you would be getting 21 days to claim your airdrop and then stake them. And you can stake 100% of your airdrop if you want to, but make sure that you take this decision quite wisely, because if you stake for 18 months, then you won't be able to unlock it before 18 months. And there will be compounding bonuses as well. Like if you stake for 18 months, then the bonus that you are getting per month will increase as the time passes by. And you all know how to get started with the staking. And the SLC token will get listed on BingX and Gate.io, MXC, and also Bitmart and KuCoin is also there, by the way. Seems like that announcement is a little down. It is over here. So these are the current exchanges that have agreed to list SLC. Let's see what more is there in their list, and we will get to know as the time passes by. Comment your thoughts below, because I feel that the Silencio team has messed up this airdrop by announcing the snapshot date. I don't know about you guys, but I dropped a lot after they announced the snapshot date. I don't know whether the bots were farming or there were some real people out there farming. So I dropped like 200 ranks in just 2 days, or around 1.5 days. I lost more than 1 million SLC rewards due to that. If they just took the snapshot and then announced, then it would have been better. Now let's see how they manages this complete airdrop scenario. I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to see more such helpful videos, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button. See you in the next video.